everybody, it's Carol. Today we're doing a makeup tutorial. I have some tips and tricks that you might not have heard of. I hope that you get something out of this video. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. The NYX eye base in matte white. It's just adding a leftover brush that has the product on it. Now I only line close to the lash line. I'm not covering the whole waterline. I'm just covering the outer part close to the lashes. And I will go whoop, whoop. I try to make my makeup look the most natural by using colors that blend in with my skin. Now, it's number 55, Driver. Let's put on some mascara. I have a mascara trick for you. So wiggle, roll, and swirl. Wow. So you wiggle it, and then you're rolling it, and then you're swirling it, okay? Wiggle, roll, and swirl. All at the same time. I do like this mascara. Damn girl. It's like the Better Than Sex. It's even a little better. Look at those lashes now. Woohoo! Wiggle, roll, and swirl. I'm putting on this again, the all hours, just because it's so gorgeous. I'm using my silicone sponge. Now, some people mix before they put it on their face, or you could do like me. I don't mix. I just put it there and swoop it up. And you get a checkered effect. It is always better to go a little darker with your foundation the older that you are. It gives you a little more life. And I'm just going to leave that there for a second, and I'm going to outline my lips with the Grande Lips Butter Rum. Just tap with the fat part down on your skin and the angled part facing your lashes, so it won't touch. And don't go too close, because it'll close your eyes up. Now I want to show you how you can contour your nose so fast, so easy. You don't have to do like I was doing, making lines and this and that. No, you just go, you take a soft brush and go into your bronzer and go right across your nose, all the way up the bridge. And then you go right across your cheeks. And up. This is the LANCOME. Oh, I love this, Le French Glow. Le French Glow. It is just marvelous. And you could use all the colors. I like to first put a bronzer like on my nose and my cheeks, and then I like to swirl it through the whole thing. And no tapping, just wow. I am a fusspot, I have to tell you, with bronzer. I only like the light diffusing ones. It's a very rare thing that I like a bronzer. I'm very fussy with my skin products. But this is amazing. This is how you contour the nose. Now you got the bronze on there, so that is like having the two lines and the line. So all you do is you go in the center and you go here. This actually is the weirdest part. This makes your nose look narrower. Now, I would think you'd have to put dark there. That's what I used to do. Put dark there, and it didn't really do it. And then, as I watched more videos, I saw that if you put it lighter on the side, it makes your nose look thinner. I don't know how that works. I don't know how that works because light brings it out, dark pushes it back, so I don't really know how that works. But it works. Okay, so now you already have the lines without having to draw them. So I go like this. Let's see, I could do the pointy side. Now I like this side. I like that the sponge grabs some color. And there. That is such an easy way to contour your nose. This is beautiful, beautiful product. It is Pillow Talk by Melted by Too Faced. And that's how I get like a shimmer on the bottom of my lips. Look at this. It's like a peachy shimmer. And I'll show you the other colors too. Here's the Butter Rum by Grande Lips. It's so beautiful. See, it's like a caramel candy. This is a lighter shade of Butter Rum. Driver by Maybelline is a lighter shade of Butter Rum. And this just goes because it's got a peachy undertone. And then this one also is terrific. It's called Loyalist 05 by Maybelline. Oh, this is a beauty too. Now this is when you want pink. So even that goes with it. I like to put a gold lip gloss that stays on your lips. It's the Infallible by L'Oreal. And I'll just put it down below, right there. Let's clean that off. I'm gonna put a little shadow under my eyes and also on the corner. Now, instead of a black shadow, I'm putting a dark burgundy. I'm putting this one just on the corner. So my granddaughter got me tickets. She waited in line for hours for the Teen Choice Awards, and she got her grandma a ticket because she knows I want to go. And I went to the Teen Choice Awards, and I'll show you in the next video the whole award show that I went to. It was just great. It was on the beach. Oh, tons of celebrities there. Oh, Charlie Puth. Oh, I love him. Went there because David Dobrik was hosting, and we love David Dobrik and the Vlog Squad. If you've seen my video, I will put a card up here and I'll put it at the end and below. How my granddaughter surprised me with David Dobrik and Jason Nash and Trish Paytas. And oh, that was the best day, and I get so excited. I just love them, love them, love them. And I was so excited to go. My granddaughter was already in, and I will tell you the whole thing in another video. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, the only eyebrow pencil I have here happens to be my favorite by Brenda Christian. This is so versatile. Wow, and that's not a shimmer, thank goodness. Thank goodness, that is not shimmer. Wow. These are great. I think I said wow a lot when I showed you this. I have a new way I'm going to put my brow pencil on. Okay, I'm going to flatten them down this way, okay? Now, I'm going to make the front a little thicker. Not like a sperm, but I'm going to go down below, if I can ever get this dry enough. You start with going right to the edge, and then just work your way down a little more. And then I'm going to go up at an angle. So it won't matter that it's down so low, because you will be arching it. So you're going to come down as low as you can, because that is more youthful. a low, thicker brow is more youthful, and we tweezed all our eyebrows when we were teens. But if you go a little lower than your real brow, but bring it to an arch, you get a pretty good shape. I do like this shape. It shows some thickness, but it's not all the way. That is my perfect brow. Now, do the other side. So I already flattened it down. See? Okay, now we go to the edge of the eyebrow, and we're gonna go up. Now we're gonna go lower than the edge, and lower, and lower, and lower. And we have to wait for my face to dry, because it's hard for things to stick on it. Now I'm going to go lower, like that, to dry it up. And I hold it, because my hand goes this way, I hold it this way so it can replicate it. And there we go. At the tail, there you go. Okay, let's see. And then I go willy-nilly on the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a little messy. My goal is to match my eyebrows. My goal is not to have sisters. My goal is to have twins. Did you know I was supposed to be a twin when I was born? My mother always says, oh my God, imagine two of you. I was supposed to have a twin, but the other one wasn't fully developed, the other baby. So, as long as you curve it up, you can go thicker in the front. So I'm just going to clean up this. By putting a bronze or burgundy as your liner, it just makes it softer looking, but yet it's still a cat eye. I'm going to take this, it's my favorite color, I'm just going to put that up here. I'm going to blend it, but that is the part that bugs me all the time when I do my eyes. I could do the whole eye, I think it looks great maybe, and then I see this overhang, which isn't overhanging that much anymore. It's just getting better with the Retin-A. Eyeshadow is not my forte. Lips are. I mean, I don't think I'm the greatest at eyeshadow, but I'm always trying. Now we're going to try to blur the line, the outer line of it. Now I don't want it up too high over my eyes. I want it up higher over here. So I try to diffuse it with lighter powder. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this video is here to announce the winner of my giveaway. And good luck to the winners, and there will be plenty more giveaways every few weeks. So let me go to my random picker, and I will show you as I pick the winner. Here we go. Good luck. My shout out this week is Barbara Constantino. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Barbara. You are such a lovely lady, so sweet. I love you. I appreciate your comments. And this shout out is for you, Barbara Constantino. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm working on a house tour and I'm working on a few videos for you. So I hope to see you soon.